morning, my dear students. So, last class we discussed about the mode of sexual reproductions. Today we start the word the sexual reproduction events. Today we start the sexual reproduction events. So, before starting the class, I want to say I hope you all completed the previous homework and the notes. And so many students they saw their notes and homework on the WhatsApp group. I feel happy, and all I want to tell that you should all prepare your notes and homework regularly. Then you will not face any difficulty on your future time. So from the beginning, you will start the writing of notes, and it will be help in your exam to learn very well. So come to the point. So let's start our today's class. Today we learn the sexual reproduction events. So sexual reproduction events that takes place in three steps. One, the pre-fertilization, fertilizations and post-fertilization. Sexual reproduction events तीन ways में होता है. तो pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization. Pre-fertilization means before the fertilization what happened. Fertilization means during the time fertilization what happens, and post fertilization means after the fertilization what happens in the living organisms of sexual reproduction. So we learn that. Yes. Come to the no the first fertilization sexual reproduction is the pre-fertilization events. The pre-fertilization events that access two methods, one the gametogenesis, another is the gametotransfer. तो pre-fertilization method में आपका दो सब मेथड क्रॉस करता है. One is the gametogenesis, another is the gametotransfer. So gametogenesis means the transfer of gamete, the process of formation of male and female gamete, that is called gametogenesis. Sorry, gametogenesis means that is the process in which the formation of male and female haploid gametes, that is called gametogenesis. So gametogenesis having some different animals, they have different gametes. So let's know that. तो होमोगेमेट्स दीज आर द मॉर्फोलॉजिकल सिमिलर मेल एंड फीमेल गेमेट. तो होमोगेमेट्स रहता है और एक हेट्रोगेमेट्स रहता है. तो बिफोर द knowing of the process of formation of male and female gametes, they some cases is known as the homogame if the gametes are same. अगर सेम रहता है तो इसे कहते हैं होमोगेमेट्स. और if the different gamete, that is called heterogametes. Homogametes in cases of chlamydomonas, that is male or female, both are the same structure, so that is called the homogametes. And the example is the chlamydomonas. And another is the heterogamete. Heterogametes means if the gametes are different. The male gamete have a different structure, female gametes also have different structure. They are not matched with each other. So that is called the heterogametes. And this gametes found in the cases of human beings. The human beings, the gametes is just like a in human beings, the gametes just like a ova shape of the female gamete and the elongated shape of the male gamete. So दोनों both का shape अलग है. So that type of gamete is called the word heterogametes. इसके अलावा और होता है the male gametes and the ovum is the female gamete. So that is called in cases of plant, that is called anthrazoids. Lower organism in the male gamete is known as the word anthrazoids. एंड फीमेल गेमेट इज कॉल्ड एट द एग सेल, और उसे कहते हैं आर्केगोनियम। क्या कहते हैं उसको? आर्केगोनियम। So according to the gametes number, the different organisms are found. So for example, here is the 2n number of chromosomes, that is called diploid organism, and they have the diploid gametes. If the n number of chromosome, they have called haploid gametes. So here given human being 46, so haploid number is the 23. Male gametes have the 23 pair of chromosome and female is the 23. So like that, housefly is the 12. So here will be what? It will be n number, मतलब उसका आधा होगा, तो ये क्या होगा? 6 होगा. Like that, rat is given यहाँ 21, and here is the diploid हो जाएगा, तो 21 multiplied 2, that is 42 gametes. So like that you fill up all this. So like that you fill up all the fill in the blanks, and I will check your homeworks. This is the homework of the class. Then come to the next part. सेक्सुअलिटी इन ऑर्गेनिज्म। तो ऑर्गेनिज्म सेक्सुअलिटी किस तरह से आप जानेंगे? बोथ इन केसेस ऑफ मेल, बोथ केसेस ऑफ प्लांट एंड animal. The sexuality in organism, they are in cases of plant is called homothallic or monoecious. Monoecious means if the plants have the bisexual condition. In the fungi or plant, if the both and male and female reproductive structures are present in single individual, both the male and female reproductive organ that found in a single organism, that is called monoecious. That is called what? Monoecious and homothallic. Heterothallic means if the different, the unisexual condition in plant, that is called heterothallic, और उसे कहते हैं dioecious. तो मोनोशियस किसे कहते हैं? प्लांट में बोथ मेल और फीमेल ऑर्गन दोनों एक ही प्लांट में रहेगा तो उसे कहते हैं मोनोशियस. अगर डिफरेंट पार्ट में रहेगा तो उसे कहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड डायशियस. और हेट्रोथैलिक, मेल फ्लावर इज द स्टैमिनेट बियर्स द ओनली स्टैमिन, फीमेल फ्लावर पिस्टिलेट बियर्स द ओनली पिस्टिल. तो ये हेट्रोथैलिक में क्या होता है? मेल फ्लावर बियर करता है तो प्लांट अलग होता है, फीमेल फ्लावर बियर करता है तो अलग होता है. इसका एग्जाम्पल है पपैया. हेट्रोथैलिक का क्या एग्जाम्पल है? पपैया. Okay, next part we will learn that. So here given the monoecious plant example cucurbita. Cucurbita देखिए आप लोग का जो pumpkin plant है उसमें से मेल और फीमेल जो है दोनों एक ही प्लांट, मेल और फीमेल फ्लावर दोनों एक ही प्लांट पे रहता है, इसे कहते हैं मोनोशियस. और अदर एग्जाम्पल दिया है डाइशियस. दीजिए पपैया, पपैया और डेट पाम. पपैया का मेल प्लांट अलग होता है और फीमेल प्लांट अलग होता है. तो मेल प्लांट को कहते हैं, इस तरह का प्लांट को टर्म को क्या कहते हैं? डाइशियस. आपका एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है, व्हाट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मोनोशियस एंड डाइशियस. मोनोशियस मींस इफ सिंगल प्लांट both the contain the male and female part, that is called monoecious. And dioecious means they have the plant which both the male and female part is a different plant, that is called the dioecious. Example, the date palm, khajur, papaya, they are the example of dioecious plant. Now come the sexuality in animals. Animal में sexuality किस तरह से हम जानेंगे? One is given hermaphrodite और another is the bisexual animals. तो इसमें एक कहा जाता है unisexual और bisexual, और उसे कहते हैं hermaphrodite. Bisexual means animals having both and male female organ, reproductive organ. तो bisexual मतलब इसमें दोनों organ present होगा in cases of body में दोनों organ रहेगा. जैसे example earthworm. आर्थर में मेल और फीमेल, आप लोग क्लास 11 में पढ़े होंगे. आर्थर में बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल पार्ट एक ही बॉडी के अंदर रहता है, सो इट इज कॉल्ड द बाइसेक्सुअल और hermaphrodite एनिमल. दिस इज कॉल्ड द hermaphrodite एनिमल. और अदर्स एनिमल जो कहते हैं यूनिसेक्सुअल एनिमल, बोथ द मेल एंड फीमेल पार्ट इन द डिफरेंट organism, male plant in male, male part in male organism and female part in female organism, that is called unisexual animals. And here example is cockroach, insect, birds, fish, amphibians, mammals, or they are called it unisexual. So haploid organisms, those individual having only one set of chromosome, जो already आपको बता चुकी हूँ वहाँ पे set of chromosome किस तरह ऑब्जर्व करोगे, उसे कहते हैं somatic cells. And Monera, fungi, algae, bryophytes have haploid plant body. And diploid organism, those have two set of chromosome, that is called somatic cell, उसे कहते हैं diploid organism. Example is the plant media है pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm. Most of animal they are diploids. In diploid organism, the gamete forms by the meiosis. तो डिप्लॉइड, ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट बात है. डिप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म में जो गेमेट केस फॉर्म होता है बाय द प्रोसेस meiosis, but end of the meiosis haploid gametes are formed. लेकिन meiosis के end में क्या फॉर्म होता है, haploid gametes फॉर्म होता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ह्यूमन बींग में जब रिप्रोडक्ट जो सेक्स सेल फॉर्म होता है तो फास्ट उसमें मेयोसिस होता है. मेयोसिस होने के बाद दैट इज व्हाट हैपन, द डिप्लर फॉर्म इनटू द हैप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म, हैप्लॉइड सेल में कन्वर्ट होता है. बट इन केसेस ऑफ that is the haploid organism, the mitotic division takes place for the gamete formation, diploid cell. तो ये गया हम लोग पढ़े, that is the first part of the sorry, mode of pre-fertilization. The first part is the what, the pre-fertilization event. The first part is the gametogenesis, and the second part is the what, gamete transfer. So let's know about the gamete transfer. Transfer of gamete means that is the gamete transfer from one place to another place. In case of plant, that is called pollination. उसे क्या कहा जाता है, that is gamete transfer, that is called pollination. In majority organism male gametes are motile. तो बहुत सारा organism male gamete motile होता है, female gametes are non motile. But in few fungus, algae, both male and female gametes are motile. Motile means movement. तो इसमें बहुत मूवमेंट होता है. बट इन algae, ब्रायोफाइट्स, टेरिडोफाइट्स, मेल गेमेट्स मूव्स वाटर टू रीच द फीमेल गेमेट. लेकिन इसमें क्या होता है, फीमेल जो गेमेट से वो मूव करता है टुवर्ड्स द मेल गेमेट. The large number of male gametes are fails to reach the female generate. To compare this loss, the male gametes are produces several or thousand times of female gametes. तो male gametes जो है are produces several thousand times to the female gamete. So here given some transfer of the gamete. In bisexual cell fertilization takes place, that is pollen grain easily transferred to the stigma or इसे कहते हैं self pollination. In unisexual cross pollinations, plants pollinated occur by media like air, water, insect or bird. जो मैं बताई थी जो डायशियस प्लांट है तो उसमें से बोथ द मेल और फीमेल प्लांट अलग अलग होता है. वहाँ पे किस तरह से उन लोग का पॉलिनेशन होता है, थ्रू द एयर, इंसेक्ट, बर्ड एक्सेट्रा. तो इस तरह से पॉलिनेशन होता है. गेमेट ट्रांसफर इन केसेस से प्लांट में होता है. अब एनिमल में कैसे होता है, this is the today's class we discuss about the events of the what, the pre-fertilization, the gametogenesis and the gamete transfer. In our next class we learn about the fertilizations events. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.